No, do one in the tree. Have him hit one in the tree.
Ready? Go ahead. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Are you all right, Nick?
That really looked like it.
Nick, I think that hurt, Nick.
You missed the mailbox.
You missed the
Mailbox.
God! Now you have to do it again.
Mailbox.
You missed the mailbox.
You broke the plant.
Break something and get the hell up and stop whining.
He destroyed the plant.
Oh my God, keep that for a souvenir. Go put it in the car.
No.
Okay, you gotta do it again because you missed the mailbox.
Or Nick.
Ow,
Nick.
Sarah!
Get in the cart and have him push you into one of the rock things.
No.
You know what? We really got to get away from this camera. They're watching us destroy their plants.
They get the
Cart
boo-boos.
land on me.
See that? Look at that one right there.
because I didn't even land on the
It
Ew.
hurt like hell.
Ew. And look how dirty you are.
It happens.
Oh, the car
It
went
happens.
up, went over like